If you want to know how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp, then please make sure you watch this video until the end, and let's dive into the video right now. So first of all, we go to our WhatsApp, and in here we click on the top right to add a new contact. So we click on a new contact in here, and here we are going to add the phone number of ChatGPT, which is new at the moment. And for this we are going to United States, and then we just type in 800-242-8478. And this is the number of ChatGPT. And as you can see, it says this phone number is on WhatsApp, and I'm just going to call it ChatGPT. And now I click on save. And as you can see, it will change to ChatGPT right now. It is recognized by WhatsApp. And now we can try and send a message to this number. For example, we say hi or hey, just what you want. And now you can start a chat with ChatGPT, and this will work just like the normal engine on the browser or the app. And in the future, you will probably be able to log in with your account. But for WhatsApp, this will do the job. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.